Hey, I'm Justin Sunseri, a therapist, self-regulation coach, and Polyvagal Institute Editorial Board member. You've probably spent many years with me here on this podcast, Stuck Not Broken. It's been going for 7 years and almost 300 episodes. It's the first and longest running podcast focused on the polyvagal theory, offering clear, accurate lessons without psychobabble or not even nervous system hacks. And now I'm ready to try something different. Starting in season 2 of the Stuck Not Broken podcast, I'm going to do something that I don't think anyone else is doing, and that is giving you all of my polyvagal theory knowledge directly. Season 2 is the audiobook version of my first book, Stuck Not Broken, Book 1, Trauma and the Polyvagal Paradigm. All of it, well, mostly all of it. There's some journal prompts and quotes that I'm leaving out. But pretty much it's all there for free in your feed and waiting for you. There's no book to buy, no course, nowhere else to go. So if you've ever wanted to truly understand your nervous system and what it's doing and why, this is the place. By the end of this audiobook in season 2, you'll have written a new, simple self-narrative and be ready for the next phase of your unstucking journey. Now, this is an experiment. I want to see how this one goes. And then, who knows, maybe books 2 and 3 will show up in later seasons. If you prefer reading, or if you just want to support the work that I'm doing here, the book is available. I'll have a link for you in the description. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this podcast so that you don't miss anything. I'll see you in episode 1 of season 2.